Hey, welcome back to the channel. We recently tried to take the drag car down to the track and ran into some issues. I'll put the clips in here. Today we're actually at the track doing some testing on the WRX. Just got here, just went through tech, did some of that stuff, and we've already ran into a problem. I didn't get enough of the water out this winter. The ice box is leaking. So right now we're gonna run with no intercooler, see what kind of intake air temps we get. And then, yeah, depending what they're at, we'll ice down the intercooler and hopefully see, because we're kind of SOL right now. But yeah, we're gonna make a run and go from there. Augie went and got some JB Weld stuff here. We're gonna pull the intercooler out, paste some stuff on it. Fortunately, if this doesn't work, it's probably realistically not worth even running. The hot engine temps or the air temps just really aren't going to be very beneficial to us. So we got something. We're going to take out the intercooler and slather it up. How bad is it? How bad is it?
Pretty bad.
Oh, wow.
Too easy.
Yeah, so as you just saw, I checked everything. I checked launch control, got that all set up. We got, what else? We got the turbo stuff all figured out. I actually checked the intercooler pump, but I never actually did it with water. So pretty certain I didn't get all the water out of the intercooler this winter. So I think, or last winter. So I think this winter, we're just gonna take it out and put it in the house. And I got a new one, and I wanna make some kind of upgrades to it. I wanna insulate it better, because the old one was getting condensation on the really hot days and everything like that, and you don't want to get water on the track or anything. So we're gonna get this one out, get the new one all wrapped up and everything, because I'd like to go to the track again in a couple weeks and maybe see if we can put on some good times. So next, gonna work on getting the intercooler out. I'm gonna work on taping it up. Yeah, I gotta find a truck I can borrow to take that thing down to Byron again. So we'll see. Maybe Jason will let me borrow it. Wait, no, I think I asked Jason if he wanted to come.
When are you thinking about going next?
It's the first weekend in August. I think it's like the 2nd.
Okay.
That's Sunday.
Okay.
Look at that. All fresh and new. Make sure it's the same one. Sure looks like the same one. Wouldn't that suck?
Found a ratchet wrench though. First, I found a ratchet wrench though.
Hey, that'll work. I was talking with my painter buddy Derek about some stuff while you were gone, because like I really hate how the paint on the Evo is and stuff like that. Okay. I'm like, I'll bet we could probably paint this thing for cheap if we did the same color and just went with like a single stage, like urethane and everything like that. Okay. I think I talked myself out of it.
How come, or like?
I think I want to do the WRX, the wide body WRX instead.
Okay.
After like driving my flip car around, I forgot how much I like that chassis. Mm-hmm. And like realistically, I mean, I need to build an engine for that car yet, because I took all the parts for this one. Mm-hmm. But I don't need to put a 6-speed in it. I can drive with the 5-speed in it, you know. Mm-hmm. So it really only needs an engine and an ECU.
Okay. Oh shit.
It's just water, Nick.
Oh, all right.
From the intercooler?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just water. Well, I've never done this before, so hopefully it turns out halfway okay.
Do you want the boot from the turbo off also?
No, you don't take it off the turbo. Nope, just the top of the intercooler.
It was also super. I mean, I would like to do the Route 66 again without
being on power tour?
Yeah, because Route 66 was really cool, but then traffic kicked in pretty hard, and like booth duty and driving without sleeping in 100+ heat. Like, you want to talk about a champ?
Yeah. I feel like I'm wrapping a Christmas present.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much, I mean, sometimes it'll go that way. Damn, that's a good crack. Holy crap.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, look at that.
It's a lot of silicone.
Well, we tried, man. We were there. We're like, we gotta at least try.
I mean, I would do the same thing.
I wasn't super confident it was gonna work.
Cracking real.
Spoiler alert, it didn't work, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we gotta wrap a piece around this way and probably get a small piece in right here.
I mean, I know it's mainly to keep moisture in there, but will this stuff melt?
Shouldn't.
Oh, okay.
We'll find out.
Okay. Originally, I thought you were going to wrap the whole thing in the tape.
Yeah.
Or at least, kind of think you should wrap the bottom. But
You know, that is pretty close to the exhaust there, Nick.
I mean, it was in there pretty tight.
But we'll see.
Okay.
Maybe we have to redesign some stuff here soon. I didn't even honestly think of that. It's funny because, like, I was meaning to order some of this gold tape to do this, right? And one of my buddies just happened to drop off a bunch of stuff that was in his house that he was never going to use anymore. Okay. And it was these 2 rolls of gold tape. I'm like, oh, snap. All right, we're all out of gold. That'll have to do.
Well, you don't want to watch me struggle?
Well, that's all right. I love watching you struggle.
Jason would be farting over here.
Yeah. Yeah, he would. Kind of want to try getting this thing back on the dyno too before we go. I think this winter I'm going to get these powder coated.
Alright.
Cool. A little warm today.
Yeah, it's pretty steamy.
Unfortunately, I don't have any water down here. Otherwise, I'd say we could test it. I mean, who needs to test things, right? Just drive, you know, all the way to the track.
Just send it. Just come on.
Pay the money to get in, and then don't race it all. Well, there it's all in. A pretty okay amount, maybe, for away from the exhaust there. I don't know how well you guys can see. But hey, that's, well, we're going to test it, you know. If this keeps being an issue, we might end up just going to an air-to-air intercooler. But I still want to get this sorted first, because I think this is ultimately a better design. But we're in. Hopefully, like I said, I might try and get this back on the dyno. I don't really know when, but I think, yeah, the first Sunday of August, we're going to be going to the track. So let's hope it all goes good. But that's where we're going to leave this episode. You ready to go to the track?
Sure.
If you guys are on mobile, hit that hype button. It's a new thing that YouTube's doing. I think it's really helping. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time.